Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to install Kali Linux on the Raspberry Pi 5. Kali Linux is one of the top pen testing OSs with the focus on cybersecurity. Let's get started. Besides the normal things like a monitor, keyboard and mouse, you'll need the following. A Raspberry Pi 5, the RAM amount does not matter for this project. A high-speed SD card, a power supply for the Raspberry Pi. Okay, so you first have to burn the Kali Linux image to the SD card for the Raspberry Pi. To do this, go to raspberrypi.com/software and click on the blue download button to download the images software. Let's open the images software and click on Choose Device to select the Raspberry Pi 5. Click on Choose OS and select Other Specific Purpose OS. Then click on Kali Linux. Now plug in the SD card that will be used for the Raspberry Pi in your card reader. Select the SD card you've just plugged in the images software and click on Next. Click on No and then Yes to begin burning the image to the SD card. This can take some time. After the verification process is done, you can unplug the SD card. Take the SD card to the Raspberry Pi and plug it in. Next, give power to the Pi by connecting the power supply to the Pi and into an electrical outlet. Then, if you have connected everything, you can turn on the power. On your screen you will see a bunch of text appear that is scrolling. Just wait until you see the Kali Linux login screen. The default username and password is Kali in lowercase letters. Log in to the system. You now have successfully installed Kali Linux on the Raspberry Pi 5. To connect to a Wi-Fi network, you can click on the internet icon on the top right and hover over available networks to then select your Wi-Fi network. Go ahead and connect. If you want to check for updates, you can open up a terminal by clicking the terminal icon on the top left bar and typing sudo apt-get update. That's all for this video. If you have any problems, you can comment down below. If this has helped you, you can help me by subscribing. Thank you for watching and goodbye.